Hi friends, myself Aniket Ranavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In the program MCOM Valuation of Real Estate, the subject is a surveying or elementary survey. So today we learn about the introduction of the surveying. Surveying, when we see any engineering structure like bridge, dam, etc. or any building structure on the surface of the earth, two questions may arise in the mind. That is, of which material this has been constructed and how this has been constructed. The first question is very easy to answer, but the second question requires some consideration of many other questions regarding various technical problems involved, which how the site before this building was constructed, how was this building placed in this position with respect to the boundary of the plot, and many other questions. The methods of taking measurement with the help of which we can determine the relative positions of points on, above or beneath the surface of the earth is termed as survey. The method of taking measurement with the help of which we can determine the relative position of points on, above or beneath the surface of the earth is termed as survey. For the purpose of construction of the building, it will be necessary to know the heights of the all points on which we are constructing the building with respect to some permanent reference point. Such methods of determining relative elevation points on the surface of the earth are termed as leveling. We know that to find out the absolute position of the point situated on the earth, relative position as well as relative elevation of points are both necessary. This is the reason why both the methods are grouped into a single subject of survey. Through both methods are quite different and independent. There are main object of surveying is to prepare a plan or map so that it may represent the area on a horizontal plane. A plan or maps is the horizontal projection of an area and shows only the horizontal distance of the points. Vertical distance of the point is, however, shown by contour line or some other methods. Vertical distances are usually represented by means of vertical sections drawn separately. There are various uses of surveying. Surveying may be used in the following different purposes. That is, to prepare a topographical map which shows the hills, valleys, rivers, villages, towns, forests, etc. of a country. Surveying also used for to prepare a cadastral map showing the boundaries of fields, buildings and other structures like swimming pool, water tower, chimney, etc. in plot. To prepare an engineering map which shows the details of engineering works such as roads, railways, reservoirs, irrigation canals, etc. the surveying is useful. To prepare a military map showing the roads, railway communications with different parts of country, such as map also shows the different strategic points important for the defense of the country. To prepare a contour map to determine the capacity of a reservoir and to find the best possible route for roads, railways, etc. surveying is useful. To prepare a geological map showing areas including underground resources, surveying is used. To prepare an archaeological map including places where the ancient relics exist, the surveying is used. There are various classifications of surveying, that is primary classification and secondary classification. In the primary classification, two types of surveying is primarily classified by two terms, that is plane surveying and geodetic surveying. In the plane surveying, we know that the shape of the earth is spheroidal, thus the surface of obviously curved. But in plane surveying, the curvature of the earth is not taken into consideration. This is because plane surveying is carried out over a small area, so that the surface of the earth is considered as plane. In such surveying, a line joining any two points is considered to be straight. The triangle formed by any 3 points is considered as a plane triangle, and the angles of the triangle are assumed to be plane angles. Plane surveying is conducted by state agencies like Irrigation Department, revenue department, for land tax, railway department, etc. Plain surveying is done on the area is less than 250 km per square. These are the plain surveying. Next is a geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, the curvature of the earth is taken into consideration. It is extended over a large area. The line joining any 2 points is considered as a curved line. The triangle formed by any 3 points is considered to be spherical, and the angles of the triangle are assumed to be spherical angles. Geodetic surveying is conducted by the Survey of India Department and is carried out over an area exceeding 250 km square. These are the primary classification, that is plain surveying and geodetic surveying. Next is a secondary classification. Secondary classifications are based on various 4 types. That is based on instrument. There is classification as chain surveying, compass surveying, plane table surveying, theodolite surveying, tachymetric surveying, and photogrammetric surveying. These are based on the instrument. That is chain surveying, we can use the chain. In compass surveying, we can use the compass. Plane table, we can use the plane table. Theodolite surveying, we can use the theodolite as an instrument. Tachymetric, we can use tachymetric, and photogrammetric surveying, we can use the remote sensing or photographs. Based on the method of classification, there are 2 methods, that is triangulation surveying and transverse surveying. And based on the object, there are the 4 types of the classification, that is the geological surveying, mine surveying, archaeological surveying, and the military surveying. Next classification is based on the nature of the field, that is the land surveying, marine surveying, and the astrological surveying. So again, land surveying is divided into various classes, that is the topographical surveying, cadastral surveying, and city surveying, and the engineering surveying. So these are the various types of surveying and uses of surveying. So friends, today we stop here. All with these are learned with respect to the self-instruction material of MCOM Valuation of Real Estate prepared by Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So friends, today stop here. Any query, any doubt regarding this topic, you can directly mail following mail ID cde_multi@unishivaji.ac.in. So friends, today we stop here. Thank you very much.